Suzhou Sharewell Automation Technology Company, Limited, located on the first floor of the partner building in Meanwell Smart Park, is one of the main revenue-generating companies of Sharewell Group, covering an area of 3,600 square meters. It is a comprehensive enterprise integrating sales, research and development, manufacturing, and services. Our main products include PowerNex SCARA robots, irregular plug-in machines, flexible robotic workstations, and other standard and customized automation equipment. We aim to provide customers with the best cost-effective products and services, striving to become a leading provider of advanced technological automation solutions.